Alrighty, hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how to use the Realvision on the uh, desktop. So first you're going to have your we have it right here, and you're going to right click, go down to inspect, you're going to click it, you're going to be brought here. Make sure you actually do it on the horse. So wait, did I do this right? Yes, I did. And you'll see right here, you'll see the class and then horse photo. So this is what you want. And if you look over these links, you'll be able to see them. So you're going to start off with, you're going to go in order. You're going to start off with this one. So you're going to come here, click on it. Going to right click. Going to come down. You're going to do the top one, so copy element. You're going to go over here. You're going to put it in the first one. And click that. You're going to get rid of these two things right here because we don't need it. You're then going to, oopsies, you're then going to go all the way over here, and you'll have a whole script right here. So you're just gonna click that, hit, and then you'll see this. You'll know you did it right when you have this, and then you grab this one, do copy element, go down, paste, get rid of that, come all the way back over here. Just keep doing the exact same. So, like that, and you have the body whites. Got another one right there, because you still have to get like the main. Copy element. All the way over here. Copy all of that. Copy this. Copy element. Can you work? Thank you. Then when you have all of this, you want to exit out of that. Figure out your gender. So it's a filly, your breed of horse. And then go down so it's EE. So EE, none of that, and then do predict, and boom, got your horse. I'm pretty sure it doesn't show exactly how your horse is gonna look, so you do have to, take it with a grain of salt. But that's basically how you do it. And like you can show like color info. Silver black fam. I'm actually gonna save that. Show prediction. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it.